In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram white screen. If you are using Android or iOS, I am going to show you how on both devices. So let's start with iPhone. If you have iPhone and you have a problem on your Instagram account, it's a white screen and you can't really do anything on your Instagram anymore. So here is how to fix this. You want to click your settings, and after you click on settings, you want to scroll down until you see here general. Okay, just click general, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and click iPhone storage. Okay, so after you click iPhone storage, you want to scroll down again a little bit until you see Instagram. So click your Instagram and then click offload app. Okay, and then I click again offload app, and then wait a few seconds. And what is this going to do is it's going to remove all the bad things that you have on your Instagram. For example, like glitches or whatever they call it, like all the things that went wrong with your Instagram. It's going to make it to default settings, and it's going to be without any problem right now. And make sure to reinstall app again. Okay, just click reinstall, and it's going to reinstall again. And now you have to close your iPhone. Okay, close it after it's reinstalled. We are going to wait a few seconds after it's reinstalled. So now after it's reinstalled, what you want to do, guys, you want to close your iPhone. Okay, and then you want to go back and you want to open it again and then go to your Instagram. If the problem it still exists, log in using your Google, and then just try if you have a problem with your Instagram itself. So just try and then click search for Instagram, and now just log in using your information here. You don't have to open your Instagram. So delete it and then log in on your. If you are using Android, you want to go to Play Store, okay, and then search for Instagram and reinstall the app. Just reinstall, remove it from your phone and then install it again, and the problem is going to be fixed, because I have had a lot of situations like this, and the problem is going to be fixed. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.